Okay, so we're progressing with working with our bio page, and the next step what we need to do is whenever I type the text, so it looks so ugly when it's overlaid with this label. Okay, let's remove this label when we start entering something. Okay, we are now going to main storyboard. We need to create an outlet connection from this label. Select the label in the left panel. It's better to do it in the left panel. Then call assistant editor by clicking this button. Go to the top, hold Ctrl left mouse click, drag here, release. This is a placeholder label. Okay, and what we want to do is whenever we start or whenever we type something, we want immediately to hide this label. And when we remove and when the text is empty, we want to show it back. This is the behavior which we want to program. If you have watched the previous my course, which is about learning the full Swift and all the objects, you know very well all the protocols of the text view. So we need now to create a delegate connection. You already know why we need this in order to access all the protocols. Select your text view. This is your text view. You can select from the left panel. Hold Ctrl left mouse click, drag it to this yellow button. Release and select delegate. Or you can hold Ctrl left mouse click, drag and release it here, so the delegate which you need to create. Okay, the next step will be to include UI text view delegate library. We're now going to our bio page, and we will here, right before cancel function, we will write there one method which called text view did change. Okay, in the text view did change, we want to write if the text view is empty, then hide the placeholder. If it is not, then show it. So this function is executed or run, or this function is executed whenever we start entering, or whenever we are entering or typing some text in the text view object. Okay, which has, very important moment, which has delegate relations with the view controller, which we have created. Okay, here we will write if text view dot text dot is empty, then we want to show this placeholder. Placeholder label dot is hidden equals false. If it is empty, if the text of the text view is empty, so then we want to show it. If there is some text, we want to hide this placeholder label. Else placeholder equals dot placeholder dot hidden equals true. If some text is in text view, hide placeholder. Otherwise, show it. Okay, we can now test it. We're going to our bio page. So I start entering, very good. This is what we wanted to achieve. Excellent. So that is really amazing. This is exactly the behavior that we wanted to achieve. Well done, guys. Congratulations.